Today, there is no military in the world that doesn't have fighter jets in their forces. Jets are required to be used in defensive role. It provides air support to land-based military camps and also deters or prevents the threat of enemy airstrike. Fighter jets were first manufactured by Germany and used for combat during the World War II. The introduction of jets completely changed the dynamic of warfare. Most fighter jets were developed during the Cold War, when the United States and the Soviet Union kept building jets more powerful than each others. In this video, we have listed the top 5 fastest fighter jets in the world. Number 1. Boeing X-37. The Boeing X-37, also known as the Orbital Test Vehicle, is a reusable robotic spacecraft. It was launched on 22nd April 2010. The spacecraft boosts into space using a launch vehicle and then re-enters Earth's atmosphere and lands as a space plane. It is operated by the US Air Force. It is an unmanned space drone. On re-entering Earth, it comes in at an average speed of 16 times the speed of sound. Its maximum speed is 28,040 km per hour. The Boeing X-37 has completed 6 space flights. It is also solar powered. Number 2. MiG-25 Foxbat. The Mikoyan Grovish MiG-25 is a Swiss-built fighter jet and still one of the fastest out there. Its top speed is 3,494 km per hour. The jet is primarily built using stainless steel. Its engine type is a turbojet. With high altitude and supersonic bombers, the MiG-25 was designed in 1960. As introduced in 1970, this twin-engine interceptor became the fastest combat aircraft ever in its active service, with registered speed of Mach 2.7 and 2.8 and an operational ceiling above 24,400 meters, around 80,000 feet. Number 3. F-15E Strike Eagle. The F-15E Strike Eagle is an American all-weather multi-role strike fighter jet. The jet was designed for long-range, high-speed interdiction without relying on escort or electronic warfare aircraft. Its top speed is 3,017 km per hour. It is a dual-role fighter jet which is designed to perform air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. It is capable of deep attack and tactical nuclear delivery. Number 4. MiG-31 Foxhound. The Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-31 Foxhound was designed as replacement for the MiG-25 Foxbat. It is a supersonic interceptor aircraft with a top speed of 3,000 km per hour. The fighter jet has a multiple target engagement capacity and made a record of reaching an altitude of 37,650 meters in 1977. Number 5. Sukhoi Su-27. The Sukhoi Su-27 is a Swiss-origin twin-engine, super-maneuverable fighter jet designed by Sukhoi. It has a top speed of 2,500 km per hour. The jet is multi-role and air superiority fighter. Its engine type is a twin-turbofan. The Sukhoi Su-27 was built as a direct response to America's F-15 Eagle fighter. The jet is a long-range interceptor and has remarkable agility. It is also capable of flying at more than twice the speed of sound. The jet is also radar guided and is also armed with rockets and bombs.